Hi, I'm Danielle Irwin, and I graduated last May. I'm attending UNC to earn my bachelor's degree in psychology. The Ames to UNC program was extremely helpful. They ease your anxiety about the process of transferring, and they give you opportunities to go to the campus and get involved. They really get you set up for that. The Ames community means everything to me. Luckily, I still get to work here as a case manager in the care and counseling department. So if you ever need any care and counseling, come on down and see us, and I'd love to get to know you. Ames has been extremely supportive in helping me grow and really just helping me flourish and find my passions. What really drew me in and got me connected, I think, was my professors. They really encouraged me to get more involved. Everybody's so welcoming and so encouraging. It's a really, really great place to be. I have loved working with the care and counseling department as a case manager. It has been extremely rewarding. I love working with students and helping them achieve their goals and inspiring them. It's really kind of a turnaround because I received so much of that love and support when I got here, and now it's my turn to give that to our students. And I am extremely grateful for the opportunities that I've received. I served as the student government president for the 2022-2023 school year. I was able to complete a project that is really dear to my heart called the Ames Little Book of Recovery. It's a student-led project aimed at reducing the stigma regarding addiction and recovery. Its whole purpose was to share stories and let others know that they're not alone and empower those that are still struggling. It had a huge impact, and I am very proud of all of the work and the contributions from the Ames community. Ames has just transformed my entire life. I was really able to get a lot of professional development to help me grow into the person that I am today. I learned how to be a leader. I learned how to inspire others. And I realized that here at Ames and through the community and the help, it's been an incredible journey.